Welcome to Learnlab Webbuilder. Webbuilder helps learners turn ideas into clear, engaging web pages while developing skills in reading, writing, communication, and digital creation. First, let's take a look at the menu. Your first option is to add blocks. This is things like a nav bar at the top of your page, text, quotes, countdowns, maps, different interactable features. You can also add images, videos, or symbols. You can also add different templates or use AI, which we'll get back to later. Elements can be moved, resized, and reorganized easily. To change colors, shapes, and other things, simply select an element and use the side menu to adjust its design and layout. To get started quickly, you can use the ready-made templates from the left-hand menu, such as Story, Experiment, or Report. You can also use AI to help create your web page. By writing a short prompt, students can generate a first draft and then revise, improve, and refine. You can also ask the AI to make changes after the first draft anytime you want. If a mistake is made, it's easy to undo or redo actions by using the buttons here, encouraging experimentation and iterations. Learnlab Webbuilder automatically optimizes web pages for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Use the viewing options in the top left corner to preview different formats. Once the web page is ready, click Publish Web Page, choose a URL name, and share it with a real audience. With Learnlab Webbuilder, learners don't just create web pages, they learn to read with purpose, write with intention, communicate clearly.